Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this offset gatefold card using the Be Mine suite. Here's my offset gatefold card using the Be Mine suite, which includes the Be My Valentine bundle with this cute bee and bee punch, but this can also be for the heart or wings, and then you have an extra heart. You also have the hearts and flowers embellishments, the sweet sorbet ribbon, and of course the very cute Be Mine designer series paper with bees and different patterns on the backside. So I've started with an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of petal pink cardstock, and I've scored at 3 inches and 7.25 inches to create that offset gatefold. For the front, I have this piece of 2 3/4 by 5 1/4 Poppy Parade cardstock and some of the Be Mine designer series paper that is 1/8 of an inch smaller. So it is 2 5/8 by 5 1/8. And then for this side, I have a piece of 1 by 5 1/4 inch Poppy Parade cardstock, and then the designer series paper is 7/8 inch wide by 5 1/8 inch tall. So for the inside of the card, I'm going to stamp some of these flowers. So I'm going to do 2 in the corners, and then I'm going to do 2 of these. And I'm going to do this one in petal pink. And this one in sweet sorbet. Now I'm going to stamp some hearts across the top. All right, now I'm going to stamp the bees. So I need 2 bees. So I'm going to use Daffodil Delight for the bee body. And black for the bee stripes. Now I'll stamp 2 wings and put that aside. Now I'm going to punch my bee out with the punch. So now I'm going to color the bee wings with the petal pink blends markers. I use a little bit of dark around the edges. And now I'm just going back over in light. And then I want to add a little bit more dark again. So now I'm going to attach the bee wings with glue dots. It's just easy and very quick and simple. So now I'm going to stamp the winking face and the smiley face. And I'm going to add a little bit of color to their cheeks with the light sweet sorbet marker. Now I'm going to place my bees where I want them so I can stamp my other elements. I'm going to start by stamping this cute little bee trail right about here. And then I'm going to stamp their antenna. Now I'm going to stamp the large heart up here. And then I'll do one of the small hearts here. Then I'll stamp Love You inside the heart. Now I'm just going to use dimensionals to add our cute little bees. Now we can add this on the card. I'm going to tie a little bow using the Sweet Sorbet ribbon, and I created a video on how to use this little bow tie helper and how to make one called How to Tie a Bow, and you can check that out on my channel. So I'll use a glue dot and put it up here. Next, I'm going to add some of these super cute pink hearts. And that's my offset gatefold Be Valentine card. Get this card kit for free when you place a $35 order using my current host code. You have a center step card, offset gatefold card, and fun tower card.